Penguins are birds, but they cannot fly. Instead, they are amazing swimmers and can swim faster than 25 miles per hour. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals and can run up to 60 miles per hour in short bursts. They have spots on their fur that help them hide in the grass. Koalas live in trees and eat only eucalyptus leaves. They sleep up to 20 hours a day. Dogs are loyal pets that come in many breeds and sizes. They can understand human feelings and learn tricks. Pufferfish can puff up like a balloon to scare away predators. Some pufferfish are poisonous. Pandas eat mostly bamboo and spend a lot of time eating. They live in forests in China and are black and white. Snails carry their homes on their backs called shells. They move slowly using a muscular foot. Jellyfish are soft animals that float in the ocean. They have tentacles that can sting to catch food or protect themselves. Walruses have big tusks and whiskers. They live in cold Arctic waters and use their tusks to climb onto ice. Sea lions are playful marine mammals with big flippers and external ears. They can walk on land using their flippers. Lions are called the king of the jungle. They live in groups called prides. Dolphins are smart and friendly sea mammals. They use clicks and whistles to talk to each other. Alligators live in freshwater like swamps and rivers. They have strong jaws and sharp teeth. Seahorses swim upright and have curled tails. Male seahorses carry the babies in a special pouch. Frogs live in water and on land. They start life as tadpoles before growing legs. Hammerhead sharks have wide, flat heads shaped like hammers. They use their heads to find prey hiding in the sand. Stingrays have flat bodies and long tails with sharp spines. They live on the ocean floor and eat small fish and shellfish. Starfish have 5 or more arms and can regrow lost ones. They live on the ocean floor and eat clams and oysters. Hermit crabs live in empty shells they find on the beach. They can switch shells as they grow bigger. Sharks have sharp teeth and great senses to hunt fish. They have been around for hundreds of millions of years. Turtles have hard shells to protect their bodies. Some live in the ocean, others on land. Whales are the biggest animals on Earth and live in the ocean. They breathe air through blowholes on top of their heads.